you play Mercy for our Bastion?
Yo, can you be my heal slut?
Welcome to Blizzard's world.
Epic!
No, Flame! God fucking damn it. Stop stealing my Hammond.
Prepare to attack.
Okay.
Yo, who just got slapped?
Raised desk.
Sorry about it. Okay.
Trade, is your desk made
that's-
of flesh and not
It is
metal?
actually made of, you know, I'll send you guys a picture. Alright.
I need to see this desk.
It's going into Discord, right? You get to see my whole setup too.
I got a new shit stack
Take a
today.
photo or video.
Did you see, huh?
Mm-hmm. Let's get it. This skin has the let me talk to the manager haircut.
Oh, I hate that. And I keep forgetting to change the skin on this. Fuck.
You look like a mom that needs to talk to the manager. Nah, you look like a feminist in a way. What'd you just call me? What?
Did you use it? No! Sorry,
You have to pay
I
for
had
your
to.
half the dinner then. No, that's sexist.
Oh. I fucking love that video, dude. Okay, general chat, my desk, it's been revealed. It's mostly glass, but there's, you see that little steel frame? That's what it's mostly.
Yo, I watched a video of like this guy and his girlfriend was a furry, and he was like, I like playing with my pet, you know, once in a while. We play
What?
catch.
What? Play catch!
Alright, left or right, left or right.
Right.
Steven just fed a bunch of charts.
Alright. I'm gonna try to pretend to be confident. Shotgun.
Let's go.
Let's go right side.
Let's go. We're gonna speed right to point.
Yeah, that's right.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, you go.
Oh shit. Just back up. Just back up. We already got a pick. They already picked.
The Reddit. The Reddit. Nation would be disappointed.
We're running double sniper, so we're running double sniper. We just had to play for pick. Fuck.
Wow.
Should I play Zen then?
We can push left side, so our snipers can take the high ground right side.
What's this Brig doing?
They're playing
Guys!
Zen Ghost.
Yeah, can we?
Guys!
Oh, they're all hiding here. Sorry, I got bashed.
It's a yikes. Did you go Zen Ghost?
Zen Ghost. We have to counter it with far.
Move! I can't see!
More Zen Ghosts. Go to play far here.
Respawn.
Go Mercy. Go far.
I slept the ring! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Pinning. You
Oh.
booped him! Please, push him. Yeah, I'm shattered. They're all shattered?
Train shatter.
Focus Ryan, just kill Ryan, just kill Ryan. Oh. Kill the Ryan! Nice, I'm 1 HP.
There's a few of them behind.
Yep. Alright, just push up,
Yeah, I'm
push
gonna
up,
go
push up.
McCree.
No, you're not.
No, I wanted to go McCree!
Far, and you're going over the middle.
I
Step
hate
through the mid.
You should be at peak performance level.
Go
One,
to
left side, left side.
Here.
Before the Ryan's back. Hey, he just got back. They're trying to do bash shatter.
Fire at will. Nerf this.
Yeah, it's regroup.
Dang it. I had barrage. I was gonna like concussion blast into it and barrage.
So
but then
that barrage that booped our Ryan, was it theirs?
I must
What?
go where I'm
Or
needed.
not barrage, the concussion. Like, how did our Ryan miss the pin?
Oh yeah,
Nice
he got booped.
Yeah.
Bye.
But then I also got booped, so it's fine. Our
Okay,
father
but
booped him farther away, and their Lucio booped me just out.
That was. To be honest, I didn't think you would be able to get that pin. So.
Yeah, it seemed too good to be true anyway. Just push up, push up. Focus is fine. Bash. Nice. I'm getting bullied. Can I get help? I'm ping Ryan. Ryan 1. Dead.
Now I'm going McCree.
Okay, I'm gonna go this young.
Heroes never die.
Nice,
And
push
when
him,
you
push him.
pull.
Get the Zarya.
Keep above you guys.
Get the Zarya. We kill the Zarya. Get the Zarya.
Right, back up, train. Back up. Get the diva. Turn around, train. Turn around, back
Yes, sir. I cannot
Go
retreat.
point. Go point.
You were alone. You touched my head.
No. I wanted to kill Zarya. She got out now.
Right, Andy?
Ryan.
He was on our right. He was on our right. On the right.
Taking care.
They're trying to... Okay. That's the camp. Back out.
Sorry,
20
one.
seconds. We have 15 seconds. We gotta have someone coach.
I'm going Doom.
We're running out of time.
Someone, go Hammond or something, I don't know.
Double heal Posse. Posse try to dodge.
He can't even reach.
Embarrassing.
It's okay, we full hold.
Alright, the answer when it goes Zen goes. The answer goes Zen goes. You know the comp. You know what we're gonna
Yeah,
do right
pretty
now?
much.
Zen go.
Sounds good to me.
I mean, I think we can anti-ghost. I mean, I mean,
No.
I mean,
Nope.
The
I
thing
mean,
with the thing with anti-goats is whenever I get an anti, we can't do anything about it.
I think we can anti-ghost.
I don't know. I think
I'm pretty positive in it.
even like if they're anti, they still have more damage than us, so it doesn't matter, you know? Because Ghost isn't about sustain with the anti, it's just about, you know, damage.
Do you guys trust me? Alright, screw you.
Toxic. Actually, no. Actually, really nice. You'd screw him?
Tonight's been like one of our worst scrims.
Yeah. So, we got Route 66 at least.
I mean, we tried to experiment with not doing Zen goats against Zen goats, and we just failed.
Yeah. What? Why do we have a hog? What?
What?
Pedals down.
What?
Hog, aka feed machine.
This is good.
Quad tank.
Visualize.
Alright, just stick it then.
We need
Just don't die.
Wait, what's Posse gonna play? He's up.
Flame
What?
Mage. Probably go anyway.
Wait, what am I playing?
I don't know.
Go quad tank. What the hell?
Break?
Fuck.
We don't have time. Come on, hurry up.
Diva, quad tank.
Tango break. Posse. Battle, I hate you.
What? This is epic.
Let's go. Move, move, move.
3, 2, 1. Attackers involved.
Bro, anything can work if we work as a team.
They have a Widow.
See, they have Widow. Easy.
That was a blind snipe. She almost got me.
Bird box challenge.
Oh, never mind. They're back on goats. Well,
I just stalled their fight.
they're
Anti-him.
too scared.
Side by side. And Discord runs down.
Help her right. Help her right.
I have no shield.
Nice.
I'm just trying to stay alive.
Focus
Oh,
break,
break,
focus
get the break,
nice.
nice.
Even now, even.
Give it.
Beating.
Alright, leave her out. Push up. To the Zarya.
Oh, I need heals. Oh yeah, just heal me. You get ult.
Shooting Zarya.
Nice.
Here you go.
I'm rallying. Oh, the player's on fire.
Okay, I played really passive there and it paid off barely.
Yeah, I sped you out when you went wrong before. Do that again.
Yeah. I just literally only held up shield until it was broken, so.
Next time you see yourself get low, just press S and that'll speed you out.
Yeah. Left side again, left side.
I got Ryan. Oh, they got bubbled.
Discord?
So then, I can kill that, maybe. I can kill that. We're gonna grab.
I might get something. Yo, you ready to see this?
Kill the unkillable.
Oh, I have to reload, dude.
I'm sorry.
No, I want this brig. Yeah, that's right.
Nice, dude.
That's
I need to
right.
restart. You guys pause.
Stop the payload.
House rage quit.
Oh, feels bad.
Said I need to restart.
After I fucked up that badly, I don't blame him.
Train, what the fuck's under your monitor? Is that a fucking leather wallet in a box?
Yeah, it's the case it came.
Case
What kind of mouse is that?
It's a Logitech G203
What's your keyboard?
Razer. I forgot.
Okay.
It was pretty cheap for.
Is it like
It's
Black
good
Widow Chroma?
No,
Black Widow X?
it's not a Black Widow.
Is it a Razer keyboard?
Yes.
Dang, that's pretty. Yeah, no, I guess right.
Logitech.
Oh, what the heck?
I actually like doing this. Alright, let's go.
Hey, what the fuck? We're in. Oh. I was all tabbed. I was looking at Razer keyboards. Yeah.
You're right.
This one came at a good
Right.
price.
Why am I at 100 FPS? This game is trash.
Oh, you should play him.
I gotta re-invite you to the group later. Push up.
You don't need to invite me now.
I'm joking. Push up. Quick comms. Yeah, just calling out, man.
Okay, it's on him.
Alright, let's go. Swing. Online.
He got cleansed.
Yeah, nice. You dead. I'm just playing fast.
Wait, everybody play passive.
Brig?
Gotta heal.
What the heck? My hook is going past them, dude. It's like scraping their cheeks. Look at that!
You missed. What do you mean?
Hey, Flame, keep your heal for our Rhine every time, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Wait, save
Notice
me
that
there.
you're doing it and it's working.
I have Shatter here.
They're grabbing his fight.
He's discorded.
I got this.
The way shattered.
Yeah, so did they though.
I need a shower. You know, the feeling of PCO crime. Oh, someone just took it again.
That was me.
No.
Mitch are bad.
Dang. Alright.
Their line's hiding somewhere close.
Zarya now.
Line's. They're holding close. We need to be able to go. We have to go. You missed the charge. You got a charge. Unlucky. Focus Ryan. Oh, we trying to see. Good 3.
Yeah, I didn't know. Sorry. Pause. He's not lagging. Parents walked in again. You can hear him slam his
I think I
laptop.
DC'd, guys. I don't know what's
He
happening.
did not.
Paddle. Hey, you guys, you think if we yell really loudly, even though he closes his laptop, they'll hear us?
Oh.
You're gonna break that desk.
I really won't, dude. It's made of metal.
But the glass is not made of metal.
Yeah, but I'm not hitting the glass.
Those vibrations might shatter it somehow. It's magic.
Shut the fuck up, alright?
You shut the fuck up.
If it shatters, my computer is still standing on the steel beam that runs through the desk, so it won't break. And the computer will just hang, you know, like a fucking hangman, you know? And so with the mouse, it'll be great. Everything else will shatter. All my cologne, all my, wait, what?
Hey, I'm back.
Did you get a whoopee?
Yeah, I got
Wait.
a whooping.
Wait, I just realized that the bird is eating bread, in general. Well,
What?
I'm really happy for you. Paddle, are you getting yelled at by your parents?
that's so
playing
cool.
No.
Speaking of, I'm about to, so let's wrap this up, buddies.
No.
Paddle,
Okay.
you know, we can't have you on the team if you have a curfew from your parents.
Hey.
I don't, but it's okay.
They had a rough day, alright?
Yeah, clap. What?
Oh, is that the...
Parents in 2019. Oh my
One of
god.
those.
Kill your parents, God.
Oh,
Are you ready, Paddle?
what is that called?
Yeah, I'm pretty ready, shreddy, dude.
Is that called fracticide?
Wake up. Run the show.
Alright, boys.
I played by
I'm gonna
escape
get a
response.
30-second grab incoming, boys.
I'm ready for it.
Alright, well...
Tell us when you get the Discord, okay?
Yep.
Like close.
It's discorded.
Alright, I'm ready for the speed. Go, focus on.
He's cleansed.
Got mashed.
He's discorded. Ryan's discorded.
I got Brig. I'm 42 grab now.
Do you think they have grab again?
Don't.
They're gonna be getting close to it. Push, push, push.
Огонь по готовности.
Pass into the iris.
He's beat.
Have grab. Oh, take the pin from me. Oh,
Focus Ryan, focus Ryan.
Fire at will.
what the heck? That's
Is
darn.
that it?